My name is Jeannie Wysinski. I'm with the Education Department at Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. I'm here in my backyard today, hanging out, and I thought it would be fun if we could do an activity together, if I could show you how to make a lava lamp. So what you need is you need some type of plastic container, whether it be like a old water bottle or something that you got out of your recycling. You need some water, which I have in this container right here. You need some vegetable oil, you need some food coloring, and then you need some type of dissolving antacid tabs like Alka-Seltzer or something like that. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the water and you're going to add water to your container, and you're going to go about a half of an inch to an inch up. So you can see that I went probably about an inch up into the container. And now you're going to take your vegetable oil and you're going to add it to the water. And what you're going to see is as I add the vegetable oil will start to collect on top of the water. And that's simply because the vegetable oil is less dense than the water. So once that happens, you will actually see this separation here of this is the water level that we have, and then this is all of the vegetable oil sitting on top of that water because it's less dense. So what I would like to do is I would like to make orange lava today. So in order to make orange lava, what you need is you need the red food coloring and the yellow food coloring. And what you want to do is about 5 drops each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of the yellow. And we're going to go ahead and watch that sink to the bottom. And as you can tell, all of this is coming down to the bottom, and it's sitting right on top of that water level where you have the separation between the water and the vegetable oil. So the food coloring that I added is less dense, or is more dense than the vegetable oil, so it falls down and it will eventually mix into the water, and you'll see it disperse down. Oh, and there it goes. Look at that coloration change. Look how it's slowly oozing down and it's mixing with that water. So now we have all of that yellow food coloring and that red food coloring mixing together into the water to make our orange color that we want for our lava. So then what we're going to do is, once this starts to mix, and you can tell that it's mixing pretty well, you want to take your Alka-Seltzer tab, and luckily this bottle has a wide enough opening at the top where you can drop the entire Alka-Seltzer tab in at once. I know, pretty cool. So when we drop the Alka-Seltzer tab in, what it's going to do, plonk, is it's going to sink to the bottom, and you're going to slowly see that the Alka-Seltzer tab starts to dissolve and all of these bubbles start to create in the bottom. And what it's doing is those air bubbles are capturing that color, and it's starting to pull all of that color to the top through the vegetable oil. When it reaches the top, the air bubbles disperse, and then the density of the water falls back down to the bottom, and then the cycle just continues to go over and over again. Thank you for joining me today.